how's it going? Cheesecake Hubbies here, Kane, George. We're here with they're not hubbies, they're cuties.
We're the cuties.
Cheesecake Cuties. We just want to let you know that we've been down for about a week and a half.
Why, Kane? What happened?
Well, there was a little bit of a tiny storm that came through. Yeah.
Never heard of it.
That's the one. And a week and a half. So no electricity, no water, no oven, no nothing. Lost all of our product. But today, Wednesday, we've been prepping all day as much as possible. We'll be down a few items, but we'll be back up and running tomorrow.
Fingers crossed.
At what time, guys?
8 o'clock.
And the day is what?
Tomorrow's Thursday.
Good job, everybody. You guys are doing a great job.
Hey, we also want to send all of our prayers and condolences to everybody down in Fort Myers that had to deal with it. I mean, we don't want to make light of that situation. It was absolutely horrible. It was devastating. Luckily, we're going to have our stuff up and going, though. So please come in and come see us and share a smile with us now that we're up and running.
And, of course, don't forget to like,
share,
subscribe.
Boom! Nailed
it. See you guys tomorrow.
Okay, bye.